How to use ChatGPT for data analysis CSV upload. To use this feature, first of all, open the ChatGPT application itself. Then simply tap on this plus icon and you should be able to find this plus files icon. Go ahead and tap on it and you should be able to find this new file upload option. Click on it and select your file. Now, once you select your CSV file, simply tap on it and you should be able to find this right above your chat box, as you can see. Now, once again, tap on this plus icon to access this feature called Thinking or Deep Research. What you can do is also tap on this web research option to get more data out of it. Now, once you enable all these features, you should simply give a prompt to the chat itself. Tap on this and type in give a full data analysis for this specific upload. And simply tap on this arrow icon and your data analysis results should be shown over here on this chat. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.